Hey guys, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware, coming at you with a quick tip. We're looking at a Horton 7000. We're going to go over how to order these. So Horton 7000, Horton 4000 are going to be same options on them that we need to look at. So first thing we need to look at is going to be the teeth on the motor, on the output shaft here. So this is a 14 tooth. You can clearly see that they're pretty large teeth, and they will coincide with a arm adapter like that. Sometimes the arms do not have an arm adapter in them. And then the other option is going to be a 48 tooth, and you can see on this one, if you can, there we go, that it is very, very fine teeth. So this is going to be the older style of the 48 tooth, and then this is going to be your newer style, the 14 tooth. Now, the other thing you have to look at when you're talking about the Horton motor gearbox replacements is the handing. So we have a handing chart on our website where we lay out handing, but the easiest way to do it is to stand on the side where the door opener is mounted. If you have a spindle on your left-hand side, door pushes out, that is going to be a right-hand reverse. If you have a spindle on the right-hand side, door pushes out, that is going to be a left-hand reverse. If you have a door that swings in, spindle on the left side, door comes in towards me, that is going to be a right hand. If you have a door with a spindle on the right hand side coming in towards me, that will be a left hand. So do not confuse these handings with other manufacturers. Other manufacturers do it different. So only use this guide for the Horton automatics units, the 4000 and the 7000. Thanks for watching.